Hello, Cyber Hangman here. I am at Hihium Lake, British Columbia recreation site. This site is not that maintained at the moment, but on the bright side, we don't have to pay daily fees for staying here. And we brought a porta potty, so we don't have to put up with those gross outhouses. Located somewhere over here. I'll go over that soon. But for now, as you can see, this is where I'm staying for 4 days. That is the reason why I am not anywhere in civilization at the moment. Yeah, just taking a view of this place, so just rotate this around. As you can see, and here, surrounded by nature. I'm usually a city boy. I prefer the city, but, you know, once in a while, nature isn't that bad. Mosquitoes here are aggressive. There's a lot of them, and a few of them are actually touching spots that I got sprayed with off. And they're for a bit before they finally fly away. I've been to places where mosquitoes have actually gone through the off and have actually bitten me. But you know what? That's okay. Now I'm just going to take a trip through the wilderness, like I said. And now we're heading to the outhouse. Show you the typical Here's a typical campsite outhouse in British Columbia. Nothing special. Looks like it's been recently been repainted. See, nobody's in there, so let's go and check it out. Oh, wow, what a powerful stench. And as you can, let me just rotate this over, and voila! See, no ass wipe. That's why we brought our own. And that's why we brought a porta potty. I'm not gonna put this down here. Maybe I should. You see this, Mr. Crazy Dodeful? This is where you belong. Right down the fucking toilet. I don't care what your apology was. Even if you try apologizing the second time, you should have done a good job the first time. You're still going to get the pwnage that's due for you very soon. There, I made my statement about that. Now to get back to having fun. This is a typical campsite. Still got wood near the area. This is very surprising. Usually people will actually take the wood that they find in the area and take it home with them. But no, it's still here. Typical fire pit. An area cut out, and a grill that's actually stable and not straight. A lot of these tables have recently been repainted. So I'm just taking a break. Done one fishing. Well, I've tried fishing once so far. Got skunked. Didn't get a fish. Fishing is one of the few survival skills that I actually have, which is good, considering I'm mostly a person that likes the city and my electronic goods and my computer stuff. Having at least one survival skill is a good thing. Let me just rotate this back around so you can see the other side. This table, I suspect, is made out of old growth trees because the logs are a heck of a lot bigger. There's some ropes here. Somebody had a setup here once. The logs are even tied up across. I suspect something was set up here a while ago. I remember doing setups like this in Scouts with old growth. Now this is the weirdest damn thing I've ever seen. This big white tree sticking out in the middle of all these other trees. It is the weirdest damnedest thing. There's no other trees like those. Just 3 of them just sitting there, leaning to the sky. Now hopefully sometime in tomorrow I can get some video footage of the forest area down near the lake. I can show you guys the damage that pine beetle has done to the forest area in this area. This pine beetle has basically wiped out entire square kilometer radiuses of forest. Much to the point where the forest industry has had no choice but to go in there and cut it all down. And within a certain time period, they have to cut it down because the pine beetle kills a tree, and then after 2 years of it being dead, if it's not cut down by then, it rots, and the wood is good for nothing other than being burned. And even then, rotten wood is not good for being burned. And it's also, because the stuff's all dried out and rotten, it's a very dangerous forest fire risk. And there's already been a couple fires in this area already. Stupid mosquitoes are getting annoying. So, let me just rotate this around here. Okay, Cyber Hangman signing off for now. This is day 1 of the camping trip. I'll make another video tomorrow.